Getting onto the part of wellness and health, if I were to talk in specific again to the roles that women are playing in corporate, there is a big pause and a crisis situation that hits us all, especially when we are almost at the peak of our careers or making some very, very decisive moves, that is menopause. How does these conversations fit into corporate? I don't think, are they having enough conversations out there?
Yes, but only with women talking to women.
That won't help.
That won't help, and that's why luckily in organizations they have started doing that. If it's a Women's Day, even men are invited to participate, because if the men don't hear it, it's a society made up of men and women. If one celebration is happening, how can you isolate or alienate the other? But coming back to menopause, it's a very grave matter. There's a lot of hormonal imbalances that take place in a woman's body, and all these are also triggered to mental health and anxieties. So I have had friends in senior positions who have experienced brain fog. Suddenly वो लोग एक मीटिंग में हैं और वो जैप होके भूल गए हैं अपना मोबाइल कहाँ रखा है या प्रेजेंटेशन के कौन से स्लाइड में वो बात करना चाहते हैं. So it's all because of those menopausal issues. They experience sweating, sudden sweating they will experience. They'll experience lack of sleep, some panic attack for no reason. अभी तक वो ही टीम थी, वही काम था, suddenly they would. And the thing is, since it's not talked about much, nobody has empathy. They think that today ma'am is not feeling well, ये तो emotional चीजें. So like I keep saying कि women situations are gaslit a lot. We are told सदियों से to adjust, to cooperate, and that continues in companies also.
So give us one practical tip. कोई भी एक इमोशन को स्विच करने के लिए, जैसे मैं हो सकता है आई एम फीलिंग वेरी एंग्शियस.
राइट,
तो
इट इज वेरी नॉर्मल.
हाँ, तो मैं कैसे उसका के लिए क्या स्विच है?
बहुत बढ़िया. अगर आप एंजाइटी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, ऑल यू डू इज डू 4 seconds इन ब्रीथिंग, 6 seconds होल्ड करो और 8 सेकंड छोड़ो और 2 सेकंड होल्ड करो. तो 4, 6, 8, 2.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Please. So if you are like you are sitting anyways, you sit comfortably, easily. You have to turn your palms on the thighs facing the sky, and you have to just loosen up your shoulders, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 2 सांस अंदर. 2, 3, 4. रोके. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. छोड़े. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. रोके. 2 and just relax. Yeah.
Wow. Welcome to Unbound, yet another episode and yet another totally unfiltered and unbounded human. Today, I have a great pleasure, honor of hosting someone who has taken a call on not only her growth, but her wellness too. She's somebody who's stood up for what it means to be holistically happy and holistically successful. Her name is Priya Gupta. I'd like to welcome her on the show. Hi Priya, welcome to Unbound.
Thank you, Mamta. Thank you so much for giving me the chance, and it's a pleasure interacting with you.
आप काम ही इतना फिनोमिनल कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या करें, फिर आपको लाना ही पड़ता था शो पे. तो so from really hustling it in the corporate life to now totally taking a 180-degree turn in your personal journey.
Yeah.
And somewhere I would also say a bit of professional too.
Yes.
How come this shift and how come this change for you? How yoga happened to you?
That's a very good question. Look, I have been intuitively into yoga. I don't know from when. कब से मुझे इंटरेस्ट आया है मुझे नहीं खुद पता. क्लास 8 से शायद, when my father brought a yoga book and I was the only person who used to be reading all the pages, looking at all the pictures and trying to just master those asanas. So it was from a very young age that I got interested, and somewhere intuitively I knew that if you are inwardly very solid, then the outside world becomes very sorted. So मुझे पता नहीं कैसे, of course there is a reason, now I know what was the reason, but at that time from a very young age I felt that there is a mystery behind it, nobody talks about it. And there was a time when I used to wonder what is the Buddha state, what is enlightenment, what is truth. Nobody talks about it. और मुझे लगता था कि मेरे आसपास के लोग कम बात करते हैं. माई पेरेंट्स दे वेरी रिलीजियस, दे डू लॉट ऑफ भक्ति एंड पूजा. अच्छा, मैं अपना आसन वासन करती रहती थी. सुबह उठ के मुझे जी 10 मिनट 15 मिनट आसन कर लेती थी, बट उसका डेप्थ और अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ नहीं करती थी, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं था, बस कर लिया बस. देयर वाज अ फैसिनेशन टू मेंटेन.
You know, we are at a very critical juncture of this conversation, I feel that, and we've been curating a lot of conversations actually around this, that ये जो women का खुद का एक inward judgment और एक उसकी, what should I say, it's kind of a self-criticism that she takes on herself, saying कि अगर सब कुछ नहीं किया, सब चीज़ों में बेहतर नहीं बनी, सब चीज़ों में परफॉर्म नहीं किया, मल्टीटास्कर नहीं बनी, आउटशाइन नहीं किया, तो maybe I am not good enough, maybe I am a failure. If she can do it, I must do it.
Yes.
What do you think? What is, because we as women, we really want to stretch our limits and go beyond all the time, like as children, as teenagers, and then as young women, then adults and mothers and professionals. What do you think is the core reason really? Is it really the societal conditioning, what is expected out of us, or why are we expecting so much out of ourselves?
Actually, I would say with my experience, I feel it's absolutely societal conditioning. I belong to South India, where this conditioning is a little less. But lot of my, because my dad was in military engineering services, I was always in North. So I used to get that exposure in family, thoda sa South ka, and when I used to go and visit my relations, कि वहाँ पे things were more relaxed when it came to expectations from a women. But I've been in North and I married into a North Indian family. There, the concept of success and failure is strongly determined by how well a woman manages a house. And since there was no clarity in my own thought, today, today we are well versed and we are talking about feminism, we are talking about equality. Those conversations were very limited. In fact, I don't remember those conversations. Can you beat it? जबकि मैं काफी, I am a postgraduate, I am an MBA, I am well read. I used to read lots of books even at that time. I used to watch lots of English.
और घर में तो ये बातें होती ही नहीं है. अगर ये है भी तो ये किसी स्टेज शो या पैनल डिस्कशन के लिए है.
Yes.
And you've been really looked at कि आपको किसी टीवी के पैनल पे जाना है, आप किसी न्यूज चैनल के डिबेट में बैठे हो जो आपको ये कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू करनी है. घर में तो उस तरीके से इन चीजों को एड्रेस करने का कोई ट्रेंड कभी शायद शुरू ही नहीं हुआ. You being a woman of today, now 25 years hence, you've seen a long road and come through a long journey. How do you look back at all these things, and is there something that you now kind of retell yourself a new story?
The only thing is all the circumstances that got me, they have contributed to where I am today. So I have no regrets to that Priya who took those decisions to be a superwoman and trying to impress everyone. बिरयानी भी अच्छी बनानी है, presentation भी अच्छे देने, promote भी होना है, बच्चों के first marks भी आने हैं. at that time it was the right thing to do. But yes, if I look back, I will ask that Priya to just relax, take a chill pill, prioritize yourself. आपको इनवर्डली बहुत स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए. और वो ऐसा नहीं कि मेन के साथ भी नहीं है, मेन के साथ भी है, बट वुमेन के साथ ये है कि मेजरली आवर इमोशंस आर गैसलिट इन द सेंस वी आर टोल्ड कि you're overreacting, you're too sensitive, you're too stubborn. Especially in the corporate, if the woman is in a senior position, she is considered to be very emotional. So
या फिर बहुत arrogant, बहुत
arrogant, यही behavior अगर men करते हैं तो it's accepted. थोड़ा सा raise voice में बात किया women ने तो not accepted. तो I honestly don't regret what happened, because those things contributed to me in not accepting those things and then trying to make a change.
Right.
What I would say is that I was lucky. देखिए, आपको ग्रेस और लक तो चाहिए होता है टू मेक द टर्न अराउंड. तो मैं बहुत लकी रही हूँ, और मेरे में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबसे बड़ी कृपा का हाथ रहा है. द डिवाइन हैज बीन वेरी, आई हैव बीन चोजन. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई फील कि टुडे somebody young girl, I would say prioritize yourself. Don't be an activist. देखिए, हर समय अपने बारे में सोचते रहेंगे तो लाइफ में मजा भी नहीं है. हाँ, मजा किसी की मदद करने में ही है, whether it's your own family or outside, but अपना मदद पहले करो ना.
Well said, very well said. So I would just like to jump on to back to the corporate woman that you also are, alongside donning all the other roles and taking up new roles in your life. That why we call our show Unbound is also because we just don't have conversations. We have conversations to inspire and again to bring in some sort of a change. Getting into the leadership part of it and corporate part of it more so, what are few things that women do feel very deeply but they rarely articulate it? They all probably, even in your corporate, amongst your corporate colleagues, you've seen it, and there's similar challenges or similar, questions that they all have, but they rarely really come out and talk about it. Are there any such things that you've identified? And which play a role on their wellness directly?
Yes, totally. I feel, see, I've been in corporates where we have European women, we have American women, and we have Indian women. और वो cultural distinction एकदम दिखता है. The Western women especially, they have their own challenges and own struggles, but they are assertive. अगर उन्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आता तो वो आके बोलते हैं, मुझे समझ, I didn't get it, can you please explain? But Indian women, even young women, we would rather keep quiet than to say कि मुझे नहीं समझ आया, because we have experienced lack of patience from the people around us, and we are supposed to grow up and man up, take responsibility more. So the liberties that people take with Indian women in corporates are more, I have observed, than the Western. It's not to say that they do it on intentionally. It's all the conditioning.
It's kind of become a bias now.
It's a bias, and they themselves don't know. Men or women, even women, they don't know that they're doing it. It's a very unconscious bias. That's there. Totally.
Getting onto the part of wellness and health, if I were to talk in specific again to the roles that women are playing in corporate. There is a big, pause and a crisis situation that hits us all, especially when we are almost at the peak of our careers or making some very, very decisive moves. That is menopause.
Yes.
How does these conversations fit into corporate? I don't think, are they having enough conversations out there?
Yes, but only with women talking to women.
That won't help.
That won't help, and that's why luckily in organizations they have started doing that. If it's a Women's Day, even men are invited to participate. Because if the men don't hear it, it's a society made up of men and women. If one celebration is happening, how can you isolate or alienate the other? But coming back to menopause, it's a very grave matter. There's a lot of hormonal imbalances that take place in a woman's body. and all these are also trigger to mental health and anxieties. So I have had friends in senior positions who have experienced brain fog. Suddenly वो लोग एक मीटिंग में हैं और वो जैप होके भूल गए हैं अपना मोबाइल कहाँ रखा है या प्रेजेंटेशन के कौन से स्लाइड में वो बात करना चाहते हैं. So it's all because of those menopausal issues. They experience sweating, sudden sweating they will experience. They'll experience lack of sleep, some panic attack for no reason. अभी तक वो ही टीम थी, वही काम था, suddenly they would. And the thing is, since it's not talked about much, nobody has empathy. They think that today ma'am is not feeling well, अरे ये तो emotional चीज़ है. So like I keep saying कि women situations are gaslit a lot. We are told सदियों से to adjust, to cooperate, and that continues in companies also. See, there was a recent government Supreme Court regulation, I think it's a higher, if not Supreme, it's High Court, which said that we cannot give you menstrual leave because you will not be hired. अगर हम पॉलिसी में एवरी मंथ का मेंस्ट्रुअल लीव ग्रांट करते हैं, आपकी हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी लिमिटेड हो जाती है.
योगा को आपने 8 भागों में बांटा और यहाँ पे हम इतने तरीके से हमारी अटेंशन बटी हुई है. कहाँ इतने डिस्ट्रैक्टेड वर्ल्ड में जहाँ पे डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी है एंड वी हैव दैट कांस्टेंट इंटरनल प्रेशर मे बी और अ क्रिएटेड पीयर प्रेशर कह लीजिए, एनवायरमेंटल प्रेशर कह लीजिए कि आई हैव टू बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ थिंग्स. अच्छा मैंने ये नहीं देखा, मुझे फोमो हो गया, ओहो मैंने तो ये देखा नहीं, उसने देख लिया, उसने कर लिया, वो तो एक्सपीरियंस भी करके आ गया. Getting to this state of bliss with all, undergoing these 8 steps and getting there, is it really achievable?
Good question, Mamta. देखिए जो हमारे रेगुलर स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, अपना ध्यान हो गया, मेडिटेशंस हो गया, उसमें आजकल के स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ में मुश्किल है. दैट इज व्हाई
जो आसान होता था वो मुश्किल हो गया,
बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज नाउ द इंफॉर्मेशन इज फेड फ्रॉम सो मेनी सोर्सेज. पहले तो सिर्फ शायद रेडियो होता था हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम.
और मुझे ऐसा कहीं लगता है कि शायद उस सारी इंफॉर्मेशन की सारा टाइम हमको जरूरत भी नहीं है.
एब्सोल्युटली, इट्स वी आर ओवर. क्या करेंगे जान के कि कौन सा कहाँ पे किसी सेलिब्रिटी ने किसी के साथ भाग लिया या कोई मर्डर हो गया. There has to be a limit to the information that you are feeding in. Just like you can't eat wrong food, similarly whatever information is like food to your brains
and thoughts.
So basically that's the reason why we have to understand that we have to have a very foundational technique that we have to appreciate and learn it, which is Sudarshan Kriya. So in your platform, I'm really happy and grateful that you're giving me the chance to talk about it. Sudarshan Kriya is the master of the master breathing techniques that Pujya Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji has gifted to us. देखिए जितना स्ट्रेस है मेडिटेटिव म्यूजिक सुन के जाएगा नहीं. Because our brain is too much, mind is too much attacked by external stimulus. Sudarshan Kriya rewires the brain to the level of grooves. आपके mind के patterns बदल जाते हैं. उस पर research है basically कि Sudarshan Kriya practitioners का grey matter का quantity बढ़ जाता है. new neuron
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
और एक एज
ग्रे मैटर बढ़ जाता है
और न्यूरॉन नेटवर्क्स एक एज के बाद ना बनती नहीं है, फ्रेश न्यूरॉन नेटवर्क्स. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई एज वी एज डिमेंशिया सेट्स इन. स्पेशली विद विमेन, बिकॉज विमेन टेक लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल लोड. उन्हें सारे लोगों की रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपने कंधों पे होती है. या मैन विल टेक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि आज यूक्रेन में बम गिरा या ईरान में. विमेन हैज टू टेक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दूध वाला आया कि नहीं, बाई आई कि नहीं. So she has to take responsibility of Iran war also and this also. So naturally she's stressed and she's emotionally low. So only meditation or simply doing some asana practice or doing some gymming or running might not have the impact that she has to clear her head. Sudarshan Kriya will rewire you because it operates at all levels of existence. So in this platform, I would like to recommend that please go ahead and do happiness program of art of living, because that will give you a technique which only takes like 20 minutes of breath work.
थोड़ा सा बताएंगे हमें क्या है सुदर्शन क्रिया, मतलब कैसे हम केंद्र तक आ रहे हैं and how are we aligning ourselves.
Yes, absolutely. Like we were discussing, our whole system is a mind body spiritual complex, right? Yes. We have to work at all the levels, only then we can experience life as is, which is celebratory. है ना, जब बच्चा पैदा होता है वो खुश खुश उसकी आंखें चमकती है, हमारी आंखें क्यों नहीं चमकती? क्योंकि समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग इन दीज थ्री प्लेसेस, राइट? हमने कुछ माइंड में गड़बड़ कर दिया, बॉडी में हमने कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया, और हमारी स्पिरिट में तो हम कुछ खुराक ही नहीं डालते बेचारे को. वी डोंट बिलीव दैट वी आर स्पिरिचुअल बीइंग्स, या वी बिलीव वी आर बॉडी. सो वो जो सेलिब्रेटरी स्टेट होता है बच्चों का, वो हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं, जिसके लिए हम पैदा हुए. वी डिजर्व टू बी एंजॉयिंग लाइफ. वी डोंट डिजर्व टू बी ऑलवेज अंडर टेंशन कि आज आलू पराठा बनाना है, क्या डिनर में क्या बनाएं, या यू नो some फलां रिश्तेदार was upset at me. We don't deserve all this. We deserve to take care of people, but essential is we deserve to enjoy life.
Yeah.
To celebrate it. So we have to work on these three things. Almost all the stuff that you do has to have a very solid foundation. If you just focus on body work, जैसे मान लीजिए आपने कुछ strength training करी, बहुत अच्छा है, very good, do it. योगासनास के बहुत बढ़िया है, but अगर आपने mind के काम पे work नहीं किया, it will not have its effect. Because a weak mind will not let you carry your body. But a strong mind can let you handle a body, like, you know. So it's very important. So this technique called Sudarshan Kriya, it's a breathing technique. So ममता, एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, हर जो सांस होती है वो एक इमोशन से कनेक्टेड होती है. हमारा इमोशन, अगर जब आपको गुस्सा आता है तो आपका ब्रीथिंग पैटर्न अलग होता है, कभी आप ऑब्जर्व करना. इट्स वेरी शैलो एंड बॉडी इज ठंडा. एंड व्हेन यू आर वेरी सैड, अगेन शैलो होगा, यू विल बी लाइक, हा, योर ब्रीथिंग पैटर्न विल बी डिफरेंट. So what Gurudev and our spiritual masters have done is they have flipped it. They have said कि अगर हम breathing pattern बदल दें तो emotion बदल जाएगा. अभी तक emotion से तो breathing govern थी, अब हम change करते हैं. So the breathing technique, we do a certain breathing technique, and with that all the levels of your existence, in the sense that you operate at so many levels, right? You have a memory level, you remember things, you operate at an intellect level, you operate at an ego level. All of these start to heal because you are playing with your emotions through your breath work. So without much effort, a lot of cleansing happens. So like people say, WhatsApp University says,
WhatsApp.
It says,
I have gone up to the extent of saying YouTube universities. Now you've created a WhatsApp university.
It says, sad हो, खुश हो जाओ. कैसे खुश हो जाओ, किसी ने सिखाया तो नहीं. With practicing of Kriya, Sudarshan, at least my experience and millions of people who are experiencing it, is with less effort, you tend to forget all your, say, bad memories.
So
you
give us one practical tip. कोई भी एक emotion को switch करने के लिए, जैसे मैं हो सकता है I am feeling very anxious.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, which is very normal.
हाँ, तो मैं कैसे उसका के लिए क्या स्विच है?
बहुत बढ़िया. अगर आप एंजाइटी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, ऑल यू डू इज डू 4 seconds इन ब्रीथिंग, 6 seconds होल्ड करो और 8 seconds छोड़ो और 2 seconds होल्ड करो. तो 4, 6, 8, 2.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Please. So if you are like you are sitting anywhere, so sit comfortably, easily. You have to turn your palms on the thighs facing the sky, and you have to just loosen up your shoulders, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 2. सांस अंदर. 2, 3, 4. रोके. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. छोड़े. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. रोके. 2. And just relax. Yeah.
Wow.
And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Sudarshan Kriya is mind-boggling. It will give you the state of Zen.
Like I
from day
actually
one.
felt some load getting lifted, at least from the upper part of my
And
body.
it's a small lifestyle change.
So has this triggered any story, idea or thought in you? Or do you have a story to tell yourself? Then reach out to me at Unbound with Mamta. Write to me at unboundwithamtaa@gmail.com या फिर किसी भी हमारे एपिसोड, स्टोरी, रील या शॉर्ट्स को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. Keep watching Unbound with Mamta. अगेन इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट कि रोग को, किसी डिजीज को,
Yeah.
how does the breath work heals it? How does yoga work at that level
Yes.
that a disease can actually
Yeah,
be
yeah.
healed? And अपने emotional state of mind में वो स्थिरता ला सकते हैं. We can mentally definitely make a difference.
Yes.
We can control emotions or have a better, alignment of emotions. But at the level of the disease, where actually the body is at some discomfort or going through
Yeah.
some disharmony, how does yoga really help heal?
Yeah. So let me put it like this. Major diseases today in the modern world are all more lifestyle related. So today if somebody has a blood pressure issues or diabetic issues or going through irregular cycles in women,
Yeah.
or having any issues related to PCOS हो गया, menopause हो गया,
और बच्चों की बात करें
और
तो
बच्चे भी, yeah, totally. Children today suffer from anxiety. They are having their own issues because they don't eat well also. So these are majorly lifestyle related, which can be prevented, and yes, in your current situation they can be treated also. But अगर आपको instant relief चाहिए, मान लीजिए आपको पेट में दर्द है, तो आप इंग्लिश मेडिसिन में पेट के दर्द की दवाई तो खाएंगे तो इंस्टेंट रिलीफ है. बट इफ यू वांट टू गो डीपर, so our yoga and Ayurveda has those things, but still all the medicines aside, you have to internally heal first for the body to be receptive to the magic of the medicine.
Okay.
अगर आप वो रिसेप्टिव ही नहीं है, मान लीजिए कि आपके सेल्स उस मेडिसिन के जो भी कण हैं वो एब्जॉर्ब ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो दैट विल गेट एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द सिस्टम.
और होता है ना, कईयों को कोई मेडिसिन सूट ही नहीं करती है, वर्क ही नहीं करती उन पे,
वो लिवर पे लोड करता है, ऑल दीस थिंग्स,
पैंक्रियाज या किडनी.
सो यू कैनॉट बैंक ऑन योर गुड हेल्थ ओनली ऑन मेडिसिन्स, और फॉर दैट मैटर इवन सप्लीमेंट्स. You can't, because the body has to heal on itself, and trust me, body has lots of capacity to heal. जब हम लोग fracture होता है तो हम लोग वो कर लेते हैं, cast because it will heal on its own. हम अपनी body को, let me put it like this, the pharma world has been very successful in marketing it very well, that they have made us very, very dependent on medicines. I'm not saying medicines don't work, they work fantastically, but there is a limit. Your body has to be receptive to the magic of it, and yoga helps in that. Why I say this? Because देखिए, आपका जो ब्रेथ वर्क है वो इमीडिएटली आपके माइंड को शांत करता है. जैसे आपका माइंड शांत होता है, आप अपने ओरिजिनल सोर्स से कनेक्टेड होते हो. Okay, what is mind? Thoughts, emotions, feelings. ये तीन को हम generally mind कहते हैं. We can't even know where it is.
Correct.
We can't
place it. It's
but
not
what
an
is
organ,
there?
It doesn't have a place.
It doesn't
in the
have
body.
a place. It's everywhere, right? And it has such a strong aura that if a person is negative, feeling negative, you can sense it. इसका मतलब वो उसके body से लपक के मेरी तरफ आ रहा है. It has no दायरा ही नहीं. और ऐसे ही कोई अच्छा होता है, मान लीजिए गुरुदेव के पास आप जाएं, his aura is so strong कि you can feel the warmth and love. जैसे अपने मम्मी के पास जाते हैं, फादर के पास जाते हैं, या लविंग पार्टनर के पास जाते हैं, you can feel the love. So emotions and feelings have it's not limited to your body, right? So coming back to the power of yoga,
very beautifully said.
Yeah, the power of yoga is this, that once your mind stills, meaning there are no emotions. See, love is not an emotion. Love is your very being. You are love, basically. तो let us not put it an emotion. ये भावना नहीं है, वो आपका सत्य है.
Being loving could be an emotion. Expressing love in a certain way.
But generally आप ये सोचो ना कि by nature we are loving people. क्या आप किसी से झगड़ा करना आप सोचते हैं सुबह उठ के झगड़ा करेंगे? हम सबको हेल्प ही करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि our whole universe is love. It's the original element is love, प्रेम. सो लव को मैं साइड में रख रही हूँ. इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स एंड थॉट्स जब शांत हो जाते हैं, देन व्हाट आर यू? वो आपका ओरिजिनल है. स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन डोंट हैव इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स एंड थॉट्स. जब तक बच्चा भाषा नहीं बोलता है, उसके पास इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स और थॉट्स नहीं आती हैं. बिकॉज इफ यू नोटिस, योर इमोशंस एंड थॉट्स आर ऑल लैंग्वेजेस, दे आर सेंटेंसेस. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है, आप देखो ना, सेंटेंस है. मान लीजिए आप कोई लैंग्वेज ही नहीं जानते, तो आपके थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स का क्या होगा? That means you are not your thoughts, feelings and emotions. What are you then? That is the that is whatever you call it, like spirit boliye, soul boliye, consciousness, that is you. When you are your original, then you are very, very strong, you're beyond ordinary, you are that element that is very powerful, it has its own healing capacity, it is beyond you. But the problem is people generally they say कि अरे हमने बहुत योगा किया, हम ठीक नहीं हुए, हमने दवाई ले ली, because you didn't have the clarity of thought कि वर्क किस पे करना है. आपके वो चिंता के थॉट्स गए ही नहीं. जब आप योगासन कर रहे थे, आप प्राणायाम कर रहे थे, आपको बोला गया, हाँ, आपको बोला गया 20 मिनट्स आपको करना है, आप 10 मिनट्स में उठ जाते हैं क्योंकि आपका माइंड कहता है दिस विल नॉट वर्क.
One tip that you can today leave us with on the importance, the benefit, the felt success stories that have come out, especially in leadership with yoga, because you come from a corporate world.
Yeah. In fact, I can at least quote myself that I have seen a lot of change in me productively. 15 years back, like I was going through that fear psychosis. From there to a position where I can hold conversations with very senior people, where my authenticity is appreciated. Earlier, me being authentic, I was always afraid that I'm being too vulnerable and I might be judged.
Yeah.
So, देखिए, people will love to work with you, whether it's corporate or in social circumstance, when they know that you're not faking it, you're natural, you're making the other person feel comfortable. Corporates में तो बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है, collaborative working तो होना ही है, otherwise कैसे करेंगे? So the biggest gift that yoga has given to me is that I think I try to make others comfortable. So when they are comfortable with me, then the work as a team, we rise and shine better. We have higher chances of success.
Right.
So I have personally seen a lot of improvement in my communication skills, interpersonal skills. Decisions are way, way better. ये तो मेरी खुद की journey है. That's the reason why I thought कि I should be taking it up as my own ambition of life की it should be talked about. Communication skills में तो आपको immediate impact आता है, आप intuitive हो जाते हो बहुत ज़्यादा. You will somewhere know that कि उन leader को क्या चाहिए, क्या सुनना है, client को क्या सुनना है. That is the biggest puzzle, right? हमको पता ही नहीं होता कस्टमर क्या सुनना चाहता है, हम कुछ और ही अपने tangent में बोलते हैं. हाँ, and the best part is you will know what are your strengths and what are your areas of development, and you will not pretend that your area of development is something that is not to be mentioned. You are very authentic. The more authentic you are, seniors हो गए, juniors हो गए in corporates, they will appreciate it. Your authenticity will come with only with yoga and meditations, because that's the only way you connect. देखिए, दूसरे तरीके से आप अपने authentic self से connect होते जब आप सोते हो. When you sleep, what happens to you? Nobody knows. Because you're unconscious. But consciously in that state of deep relaxation is the gift of asanas, pranayam, sudarshan kriya. So when you're so authentic, when you're like deep state of relaxation, you don't send that negative vibe that you're competing with that person. You have an abundance mentality. You feel, okay, you succeed, I will also succeed. So it's not much
there is
talked
enough for
about.
everyone.
Yeah. And it's unfortunately it's not talked about in most B schools. That the trick to rise high in a corporate ladder is collaboration.
It's to rise together.
Yeah, it's rise together. People talk of competition. People compare salaries. The first few years of your career are always comparing that your friend earns more, and then you feel sad. But the truth is, you should feel happy that the friend earns more, because उसका sadness का stress आपको नहीं है ना. अगर मान लीजिए वो sad होता, then how would you deal with it? He's your best friend. So that abundance mentality, that cooperation and solidarity, that comes when you're authentic, because we are born like that. छोटे बच्चे, they are not competitive. They want to share chocolate also.
Yeah, totally.
वो तो अपना जूता आइसक्रीम भी देते हैं. You want to have the 2 years or 3 years, because that is our authentic nature. With yoga and these spiritual practices, that's the only way to connect. If you're too outwardly, you will continue to be competitive. When you're competitive, people will not like you. फिर काम तो आपका corporate में तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
True. Very well wrapped up. Thanks so much, Priya, for those words of wisdom and so much of bringing so much light, knowledge, and so much sharing from your real world. We really, really appreciate you being totally unbound and totally unfiltered. जैसे मैंने बोला ही था कि she is someone who will say a spade, but in a way that it doesn't sound like a spade. But totally, it's been an honor talking to you.
Thank you.
Just before we wrap up, एक हमारा बहुत ही quick rapid reflex round होता है जहाँ पे मैं
Okay.
एक quick volley of questions, maybe 4-5, I'll throw up on you,
Hmm.
and that's like the first thing, whatever that comes to your
Comes to-
mind, you got to blurt it out. So, are you ready for this, Priya?
My God, my authentic self says, "Don't be nervous," but I am nervous. My mind says, "Be nervous."
So, never have you ever. Just complete this sentence for me.
Never have I ever tried to demean anyone.
All right. First ritual in the morning. First thing that you do.
2-3 glasses of hot water.
Okay. Last ritual of the day.
Prayer,
All right.
thanking the divine for
Okay.
everything. Yeah.
Are you a book person? Are you a Netflix OTT person? Movie person? What kind of person are you?
Everything in moderation, but majorly book.
Books.
Yeah.
Which is your one favorite go-to at any time? You can go back to that.
Meditation.
All right. And one thing that you want to go back in the time and change for yourself?
Yes, definitely. I feel that had I learned Sudarshan and gotten on the Gurudev's path long back,
Long back.
yeah, I would have been spreading more joy, trying to spread more joy,
Yeah.
reach out to more people.
Anything you would like to unlearn in this lifetime?
Not to take yourself very seriously.
Mm.
Just life is supposed to be celebrated. So even if once you have a thought that, everything is going very dull, no need. There is some power out there much larger than you. तो मस्ती करो, मस्ती में रहो. Your whole goal of life should be मस्त रहने का.
मस्त रहने का, चिंता नहीं करने का, मस्त रहने का है, जश्न में रहने का है. All right. One thing that has come as a harsh lesson to you in life.
Yes. One of the big harshest lessons I've seen is that there is a lot to learn. Sometimes at one stage I begin to feel that I know quite a lot. It's not true. There's a lots of things you have to learn, and life can be humbling. The moment you feel you know a lot, it grounds you.
Grounds you. All
Yeah.
right. Food to you is, just complete the sentence.
It's for me, it's a pet bharna. I'm
Ah.
not foodie.
Happiness to you is?
It's everybody's birthright.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yoga to you is?
Yoga is a way of life. It's
So-
the only way that you can enjoy life as is.
Okay. And is there any, हम सबका एक तकिया कलाम होता है, right? कि हम कोई एक चीज बार बार बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
Is there any sentence, any word that you have?
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. On that note, I think we'll call it a wrap. Thank you so much for again
Thank
being
you, Mamta.
unbounded and totally being unfiltered with us.
Yeah.
And we would love to have more of you back on the
Yes,
show.
yes. And you are amazing host. I mean, your questions, they were bang on.
Thank you.
They were very deep.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Gurudev's
I think it all
grace.
comes with the energy. Just what you bring in is what I bring out of you, honestly. So thank you.
I'm really honored.
Thank
I'm
you.
really grateful. And at this platform where we could talk of Gurudev, it's a big seva.
Thank you.
So we in Art of Living believe कि अगर एक चौकीदार भी बोलते हैं ना कि वहाँ पे गुरुदेव वाला प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, उसकी भी बरकत होती है.
Wow.
तो आप लोग ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं, तो it does not happen to everyone. मैं बता रही हूँ.
Biggest honor,
हाँ.
honestly.
मेरे को लास्ट 15 साल से मैं गुरुदेव के साथ हूँ. He
Yeah.
picks up.
Yeah. he picks
कौन
up.
सुनता है, कौन बोलता है,
Yeah.
ये वो सब the master decides.
Yeah.
तो-
I think आज आप decide करके आए हो मुझे goosebumps
Goosebumps
moments
है,
देने के
हाँ.
लिए.
नहीं, मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कह रही हूँ. मैं
Thank you
काफी
so
सालों से
much.
टीचिंग कर रही हूँ.
Yes.
तो he actually picks up the flowers. तो
Yeah.
आप लोगों का ये प्लेटफॉर्म, आपकी
Thank you.
अपॉर्चुनिटी.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are really greatly honored that you chose us. Gurudev chose us. So
Yes,
thank you.
yes.
Let's keep unbounding together.